In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dark theme on Replit. Whether you spend a lot of time coding or just prefer a darker interface to be easy on your eyes, switching to a dark theme can make a huge difference. So let's dive right into it and show you how to effortlessly switch your Replit interface to dark mode. First things first, make sure you log into your Replit account, head over to Replit and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options tailored for your account management. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Account Settings. Clicking on it will navigate you to another page where you can manage different aspects of your Replit experience. Once the Account Settings page loads, pay attention to the left-hand side. You'll see several tabs listed there. One of these tabs is labeled Preferences. Go ahead and click on Preferences. This section is where you can customize your interface and experience according to your needs. Now, within the Preferences tab, you'll need to locate the theme option. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it, but it should be fairly straightforward to spot. The theme settings allow you to choose how you want your Replit interface to appear. Once you've found the theme option, click on it and a list of available themes will appear. Among the choices will be a dark option. Selecting dark will immediately change the user interface from a light to a dark theme. You'll notice this switch happens instantly, providing you with a new, clean, darkened look in your Replit environment. And that's it. With these simple steps, your Replit editor should now be comfortably set to dark mode, making it easier on your eyes, especially during those late night coding sessions. Remember, if at any point you wish to revert to the light theme, you can follow the same steps. Just choose light from the theme list to switch back. Hopefully this guide has been clear and helpful. The dark theme can greatly enhance your overall coding experience, reducing glare and helping maintain focus. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy your new dark mode setting on Replit. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tips and tricks next time.